Example 2.4. In the figure, OABC is a rhombus and OBP is a straight line. It is given that AB equals PB. Part A, show that angle BCP equals angle BPC equals 30 degrees. Which two angles are we looking at? We are looking at angle BCP and angle BPC. So we want to show that these two angles are equal. So let's start with the rhombus. Since OABC is a rhombus, these four sides must be equal because of property of rhombus. At the same time, OA, OB, OC are the radii, so that means OB equals OA equals OC, so I can also mark them equal. So now what I have got is all these sides are equal. OA, OB, OC, AB, BP, and BC. First, we will focus on triangle OBC, which is an equilateral triangle, which means one of the angles must be 60 degrees. Angle OBC is 60 degrees. How do we relate to the two angles marked in red? So we'll look at triangle BCP, which is an isosceles triangle. So we can let these two angles be A. So using exterior angle of triangle, 2A equals angle OBC. Okay, so let's write this out properly. So we have got these six sides equal. And just now we mentioned that triangle OBC is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, angle OBC is 60 degrees. Because of property of equilateral triangle. Next, we will look at triangle BCP. BC equals BP. BC equals BP. Just now, proved already. So that means angle BCP equals angle BPC. So at this point, we actually have done the first part in part A. Because in the first part of part A, we want to show that these two angles are equal. But in the next step, we have to show that they are both equal to 30 degrees. So let's continue. So I'm going to let these two angles be A, which will be easier in our calculations. So we'll just do an exterior angle of triangle. So that's part A. Next, we'll move on to part B. Let's look at the question. Is PC the tangent to the circle at C? Explain. So where's PC? Let's see. PC is right here. In order to show that PC is a tangent, I have to find angle OCP. If angle OCP equals 90 degrees, then PC is a tangent. So that's why I put a question mark here. We already know that this is 30 degrees, and since I have an equilateral triangle, this is 60 degrees. So that's why if I add up these two angles, angle OCB 60 degrees, angle BCP 30 degrees, then I get 90 degrees. Okay, so let me do it here on the right. So in part B, I have angle OCB. So angle OCP equals angle OCB plus angle BCP, which would be 60 degrees plus 30 degrees equals 90 degrees. So therefore, PC is the tangent to the circle at point C, and we need to give a reason for this, which is converse of tangent perpendicular radius, because we have got the 90 degree angle.